Hello, everybody. How's it going? Let's see. How's everybody doing today? You guys have any questions or stocks you want me to go over before we get into the earnings upcoming? Um, that'd be awesome. Hey, how's it doing, Craig? How's it going, everybody? Let's put this in the Discord, and if you guys want to join the Discord, it's free in the link in the description if you aren't already in it. I'm assuming most of you are already in the Discord, but if you're not, go ahead, check it out. Um, yeah. So if you guys have any stocks for me, just let me know. Just quickly, I'm going in the Discord, so just give me 1 second. I'll be right to you guys. Let's see. Okay, so let's get into this upcoming earnings first. Let's take a look at the earnings that are upcoming. So this is going to be very important to just take a look at. Taking a look at the earnings here. Looking at the earnings, we have United Health Tuesday morning. That's going to be a big one. I'm going to be looking at that because, well, as we know, the stock tanked last year. Last year. And I'm really expecting something big out of this company, hopefully. Also, we have UPS, which isn't too big to me. Texas Instruments could be something, but still probably not much. The big thing is going to be ASML. That is one of my biggest positions, ASML. So I'll be taking a look at ASML. We have Starbucks, which could be interesting, probably not though. MSCI might be interesting. I'm very interested in that company. What site is this? This is Earnings Hub. It's called. Taking a look here, though, this is the big day after the close. Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, FICO, these are the big companies to look at. So Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, and FICO are huge for the upcoming earnings this week. Let's take a look. I think Tesla, honestly, I expect Tesla to potentially miss earnings, honestly, but take a look at MasterCard. That's also another company I'm interested in buying potentially. Lockheed Martin, Apple, Visa, those are the big ones. And then the next week is also pretty big. Let's go to the next week, upcoming week after this week. Palantir, PayPal could be interesting. We have AMD, Chipotle will be interesting just because the company's been falling. Uber, interesting. Google, that is my biggest position, so that would be very cool to see. So MasterCard and Meta earnings, my thoughts. So honestly, with MasterCard, I don't expect anything to really happen with that earnings. MasterCard normally just stable company, very predictable. So I expect it just to be not really move much at all. But Meta could be interesting. I really can't predict where the stock's going to go, but I truly think Meta is going to blow it out in the water with their earnings. However, I do expect potentially higher capex spending than what they were guiding for, so that will probably bring the stock lower. So that's one thing to look at, but I do expect their earnings to still be very good. If you guys have any stocks you want me to take a look at, I'll go ahead take a look. Just comment down below. Let's go over to the valuation investing website here. Let's log in. Yep. So, guys, if you are a part of the Patreon, we've made some big updates. I've made some big updates to the website here. So, looking here, we have the home, stock analysis, intrinsic value calculator. This was always here. SemStep stocks. Now you can compare stocks between each other. Also, I've added the watch list and portfolio. Look at the watch list. So, say if you want to add a company, let's go over. Let's add Sprouts Farmers Market, for example. I made a video earlier today saying at $70 I'd be willing to buy. If you just put in $70, say you want to buy Sprouts at 70, go over to your watch list and you'll see buy target $70 and -2% would be where you'd want to buy the stock. So you can put your watch list here. You can also put your portfolio. I haven't put my portfolio in here quite yet, but I will be getting to that. So then I can show you guys in the videos my portfolio. But I want to talk about Sprouts Farmers Market, honestly, just due to the fact I've been potentially buying this company. I'm really considering buying it. Intrinsic value calculator here. Also, I've added the single scenario here. So you can just, if you don't have a lot of time or you just want to do a quick little scenario, you can just do this here. So let's do Sprouts. Let's do 9%. Future P ratio. Let's do 18. Profit margin. Let's do 5.5. Then shares outstanding 3.5, and we can just get our fair value price. I think 17.3% return. So I also added this little area here. Enter your desired buy price. So if you want, say, let's enter your desired buy price. If you want to buy the company at $50, you can see how much you're going to make on that position. And I'm expecting a 26% return if it got to 50. So this just gives you a good idea of basically where you'd want to buy the stock. And that's what I really enjoy. So that's the key thing here. Yes, I have seen that the market is going down during the pre-market. Honestly, I think it's just noise in the market. Nothing to be too worried about. That's just me, though. But let's go over. Let me show y'all Meta for upcoming earnings. Also, financial statements, I changed a little bit. I added some more things to the financial statements, more metrics so you can look at. So that's good. SemStep stock analysis, everything stayed the same, but the intrinsic value calculator did change a little bit with this update. But looking at Meta, I just believe this company is very good. Free cash flow is slightly worrying to me, but just due to the fact, look at this free cash flow, $54 billion. It's slow growth, but it's not that slow, actually, 12%. But let me put in a single scenario here, guys, and I'm going to do what I expect from Meta. I expect the watch list is the same for everyone. Well, I guess I got to fix that, guys. I'm going to go ahead and try and fix that. How about what is the, let me put in, say, ASML. Just put some garbage number. Does it do it for the portfolio too? Go ahead and take a look at the portfolio tracker too. Go ahead, take a look at the portfolio tracker, see if that works. So is this your portfolio? Does it look like this? Okay. Well, after this stream, guys, I will be fixing this. So I will definitely try to fix this. I've had problems with this before. So I will go ahead and fix that after the video, or even during this stream. I'll try and fix it on the side. So yeah. That's unfortunate. Let's see. Man, that really stinks, guys. Well, let's just get into Meta, show you guys. Single scenario, I truly think Meta can go 13 or so percent and have a 25 PE ratio. Future profit margin, I expect at least 35%. Shares outstanding, decrease that to 2 because they haven't been buying back as much. 15% return from today. So if you want a 20% return with Meta, let's put in $550, see what we would get for the return. Yeah, honestly, if it got under 550, I think you can make a huge return with Meta, 20%. So if you guys have any stocks you want me to go analyze, I'll go ahead and do that. Man, that really stinks. Okay, well, let me try and update this real quick, guys, and if you don't mind taking a look at it once I tell you to look at it again just to see if it's working, yeah, if you don't mind. Because that's really disappointing. This has happened to me before too, so. Let's see. Do I own Meta? Yes, I do. It's my third largest position, technically, I think, in terms of market value. So, yeah. Okay, let me try this again. So whoever has the whoever has valuationinvesting.money, the valuation investing, let me know if you guys get this. So let me just put in this and go ahead, go over to the valuation investing, and do you have Sprouts Farmers Market? Because if that's the case, I'm seeing if this update would fix it, but hopefully it does. I don't think it will though. Sadly, I don't think it's gonna work. Alright, let me try and fix this. Okay, well, that's disappointing, guys. Well, at least I did this live stream to see if it's gonna do anything. That's at least good. We'll just wait and see. Do some more updates. Hopefully we can figure this out though. Also, guys, on the new update here, let's put in Google and say, I don't know, Meta. Pretty good comparison. You can just put in Google Meta, get comparison for the two. You can take a look at the price, upside potential, estimated upside, 7 out of 7 key metrics. You can take a comparison between all these good metrics here. I think it's pretty decent. Okay, let me try and do this one more time, see if it works. Let's just take a few more minutes. The estimated upside is just calculated with the intrinsic value calculator just automatically. So I wouldn't necessarily trust this because you need to do your own due diligence. Do you believe that they're going to grow at that rate or whatever? But that's just what I believe. Like, look, let's put in Google and Apple. As we can see with Apple, it's expected lower returns, probably just due to slow growth, high valuation for Apple. But don't trust this. I'm going to be honest. Just do your own intrinsic value calculations. That would be the key. So, yeah. Well, hopefully we can fix this. If not, I'll just end the live and try and fix it myself, but hopefully this publishes. Because if this doesn't work... Okay, let's go ahead, try it real quick. Okay, so let's go over to the portfolio. Let's add something. See if it's there on your end, guys. Let's just put any random number. So I added this to the portfolio. Let's see if it gets added. Um, hopefully not, but I have a feeling it will not work still. Let me know if you guys see this in your portfolio, because if it does, then I might just end the stream and try and figure it out tonight. So, Noah, how about you go ahead and try and add something? Can you go ahead, try and add something to your portfolio? It doesn't matter what it is, just anything. Let me know when you do that, because then I'll refresh this, and if it's not there, then I think we should be okay. Hopefully. I hope so. If not, then, well, gotta do some work later. Let me refresh this, see what happens. Okay. So I think it's working, guys. I think it is working. So thank you all. Thank you for helping me, Noah, there. That's I really appreciate that. Yeah. So thank you guys for that. Honestly, this might be the end of the live stream. Well, yeah, let's actually do the watch list real quick. Did you add anything to your watch list? Did you add anything? How about I wait till you add something? How about go ahead and add something to your watch list, and then let me log in and see if there's anything there. And if there's nothing there, it should be all good. Okay, so Noah just added Microsoft. Let's see if it's there. Hopefully it's not. If it is, that's going to be upsetting. First, let's make sure the portfolio just has Sprouts Farmers Market watch list. Empty. So it's working, guys. Thank you so much, Noah, for that help. Thank you so much, Noah. I really appreciate that. Hopefully it all works now. If you guys have any questions about the software, go ahead. Go to the Discord that's in the link in the description. Tell me if you have any problems with the software, any bugs or anything, and I'll try and fix it. But I think this is going to be end of the live. I just wanted to quickly go over the earnings coming up, and also thank you so much for helping me fix that. Really appreciate it. So thank you guys. See ya. Fun live stream, even though it was one of the shortest ones. It was fun. And actually, let me just leave off with one note. I will be live streaming basically every day after the bell. I'll be trying to live stream at least when there's big earnings. So Tuesday after the bell, Wednesday after the bell, Thursday after the bell is going to be when I'll be live streaming from probably 3:45, 3:50 to probably 4:30. Then I'll try to make videos on those stocks that are moving a lot or just any big movements. And thank you guys for watching this stream, and see ya.